Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFSM School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today, I am going to take an Bangladesh and Global Studies class for class 8 students. Our today's topic, Chapter 6, Lesson 1 and 2 discussions. So let's see our today's class. Class 8, subject BGS, topic Lecture 6. Chapter 6, Lesson 1 to discussion, term annual, Lecture 9, Example 7, Teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, as you can see, today's Chapter 6, Economy of Bangladesh, Lesson 1 and 2, annual term, Lecture 9. So Bangladesh is mainly an agricultural country. Most of the people of this country live in the villages. Agriculture is the main source of their livelihood. Besides, some of the village people are weavers, potters, blacksmiths, grocers, and shopkeepers. Some people also live by small business. People of the town are mainly service holders and businessmen. Besides, among the people of the town, many are rickshaw pullers, some are small shopkeepers, hawkers, laborers, and workers. All these jobs are done on personal initiative. Side by side, there are some state-owned industries, railways, highways, and water transports. There are also welfare-oriented sectors like education and health. At present, many industries and business organizations have been established in the country under private sector ownership. These play a vital role in the development of the country. Besides, a large number of people are being employed in this private sector. The economy of Bangladesh is flourishing with the help of both of this government and non-government sectors. Lesson 1, Gross Domestic Product, GDP. GDP is the monetary value of all goods and services produced every year by the citizens, native and non-native, living in the country. GDP is estimated to understand the overall economic capability of a country. So if any citizen works abroad and sends money, or any company runs business abroad and sends money to the country, it will not be counted as gross domestic product and it will not be added GDP. Gross national product, GNP. So gross national product, GNP, is the total monetary value of all goods and services produced by the citizens of a country within a specific period, usually a year. In other words, the citizens of a country may work or run business anywhere in the world. When he sends his own money to his country, it is included in the economy of the country and is considered as the gross national product. So GNP is estimated to realize the contribution of the citizens of a country to its economy. For example, any individual or a business firm works or runs business abroad and sends money legally to Bangladesh, it will be the part of gross national product. Per capita income. When the sum of gross national income is divided by the population, we get per capita income. By means of per capita income, we can measure the overall standard of living of a country. The more the per capita income is, the higher the standard of living is, and this indicates prosperous economy. Per capita income, gross national income of a year, total population of the year. For example, in 2011, the population of a country was 10 crore and the gross domestic product was 5,000 crore US dollars. Moving to next page. So per capita income is 500 crore US dollars, 10 crore. So if you divide it, 500 US dollars. The aim of increasing productions in agriculture, industry, and service sectors of a country is to increase income of the people. This increase of income improves their standard of living. It gives us liberty from poverty. After the independence of Bangladesh, per capita income has increased. As a result, the standard of living is improving gradually. Our per capita income during the financial year 2010 was 98 US dollars, whereas this amount increased at 1909 US dollars during the financial year 2008-2019. Statistics of Bangladesh Bank shows that the amount of our gross domestic product during the financial year 2014-05 was Taka 3,70,707 crore, whereas the amount of GDP during the financial year 2008-09 was 25,036,000 25,36,177 crore taka. The main aim of increasing production of income in agriculture industry and welfare sectors of the country is to improve the standard of people's lifestyle. Contribution of different sectors to the gross domestic income of Bangladesh. We can mention the names of many sectors as a source of gross domestic product in Bangladesh, such as agriculture and forest, fishery industry, mineral, electricity, gas and water, construction industry, wholesale and retail marketing, hotel, restaurant, transport and communication, bank and insurance, health and social welfare, trade, commerce and excise, etc. Of them, the accounts of a national production income is some sectors are given below. Agriculture and forest. Food, grains, vegetables and forest resources are included in this sector. The contribution of this sector during the financial year 2001-2013 was 13.9% and the growth rate is 1.47%. The contribution of this sector during the financial year 2017-2018 was 10.67% and the growth rate was 3.47%. Fishery. During this financial year 2002-2013, the contribution of fishery sector to local production or GDP was 3.68% and the growth rate was 6.818%. The amount of the contribution in the financial year 2007-2018 was 3.56% and the growth rate was 6.37%. The contribution of industry sector to gross domestic production during 2001-2013 financial year was 19% and the growth rate was 10.31%. The amount of contribution of this sector will be much more if we included electricity, gas, water supply, mineral resources and construction industry in this sector. The contribution of this sector during the financial year 2007-2018 was 22.85% and the growth rate was 13.40%. Wholesale and retail marketing. During the financial year 2001-2013, the contribution of this sector to our gross domestic product was 14.03% and the growth rate was 6.18%. The contribution of this sector during the financial year 2001-2008 was 13.95% and the growth rate was 7.45%. Transport and communication. The contribution of this sector to our gross domestic product income during 2001-2013 financial year was 11.50% and the growth rate was 6.27%. During the financial year 2017-2018, the contribution was 11.13% and the growth rate was 6.58%. Health and welfare sector. The contribution of this sector to our gross domestic product during the financial year 2001-2013 was 1.88% and the growth rate was 4.76%. During the financial year 2017-2018, the contribution was 1.83% and the growth rate was 7.02%. So, my dear students, your SW will be SW 7, Chapter 6, Lesson 1 and 2, 10 OWA. So, 10 one-word answer. So, my dear students, thanks for watching this class. Keep practicing at home. About your parents, stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.